Hi, this is the video I'm gonna do for you to take out how to take out the feed station. It could be this machine, or this machine, as long as it's a Minolta. So what you do, you come. First thing to do is to pull out these and pull them out, all the trays. Okay, to the end. Then you press here, you open the door. After opening that door, shift the machine so that you have a lot of space to be able to work. Okay, get a star screwdriver. Then you unscrew, take out okay. Okay, one screw is gone, so this thing keeps on rolling. Then take out this. Okay, then you take out this. Okay, then this is the last screw. But at times you can find there could be a cover here, a plastic cover which protects this. Sometimes it's there, so if you find it, then you can take out that before you access these two screws. Okay, then you just unplug this. Okay, after that there's also another screw here up. Okay, then you slide it off. Make sure those are off, are slided out. Okay, once you do that, then you can take out the feed station. So if you want to replace the rollers, then you take them out. Well, that's it. So I think that should be the conclusion of this video. Thanks for watching.